Hello all. Welcome all to the C programming learning. In the series of understanding file handling and its option, today we are going to understand ftell function. Ftell functions returns the current file position of the specified stream. So we can use ftell function to get the total size of your file after moving the pointer at the end of file. We can use a seek end constant to move the file pointer at the end of file. Let's have an example of this so that you will get understanding of the ftell function. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my header file #include stdio.h. As I have made one ABC text editor file, in that I have written this is my program. I'm going to use that same file. You can use any file which you want. So it's void main. Inside void main, first of all let's use a keyword file, which is important, and then by using asterisk sign we are using fp. And now I'm going to use one more integer variable, that is integer length, and then I'm going to open my file by using fopen in bracket whichever file you would like to open. I want to open abc.txt, and here we are using the mode as R, so reading mode we are using. In that fopen we have various mode. I'm using fseek function. Fseek function is like having a reading control to your file content. These functions we can use for fp, 0, seek end. So in uppercase you have to write down like this, seek end, this one, seek end. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that value to my length ftell in bracket fp, whichever value will be the total size of my value, and I'm going to close my file here. So we have given that to ftell, we have assigned that we have to show the same on our output screen. That's why I'm writing one printf line, size of my file. So here I am using size of my file is %d, which will be integer value, and bytes. So it will show us the size, will show us that comma length variable shows us the file, because we have assigned that to here. Let's save this file as ftell.c, and then I'm going to build this file. Build finished with 0 error. Let's run this. So my size of my file is 19 bytes. I'm going to open my ABC file also so that you can see what text I have written in that. In that I have written this is my program and the size of the file is 19 bytes. So what I'll do is I'm going to change this text, and this is my family in India. Suppose I have written like that, and if I save this file like this, and if I close this, and again if you would like to build this and run this, now here it becomes 47 bytes because I have increased the file content. This way you can have an actual size of your file by using this ftell till the end of file. So here I have used till end of file by using this seek end keyword provided by the C programming file handling options. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.